Okay, so this is all very easy. We literally just did this in the last video. The assignments are not in the greatest order, but it doesn't matter if you have P and Q, that's population. P plus Q always equals 1. It doesn't matter if you have P hat or Q hat, there's still probabilities that equal 1, and it doesn't matter if you have P bar plus Q bar. Population, sample, what the heck is P bar, Q bar? Something about a pooled or something or other. Yeah, where P bar equals x1 plus x2 over n1 plus n2, it's still a sample thing. But we're only making the point that P plus Q is always 1. So Q bar is, of course, 1 minus P bar. They give us the thing there. Okay, so we just plug into that equation is all we're doing right there. It's going to be a test statistic. So we can kind of do a test statistic, but it doesn't exactly work with the bars in there. We do the test statistic formula there. It is a difference between two proportions, a two prop C interval. Yeah, there's no way to do it on the calculator such that we will get that because we can't do the P bar Q bar on the calculator. Okay, so if anybody wants to practice this and compare with my answers just for fun. But I'm doing P1 minus P2, that's population. You can see it, there's always 0. We have P hat 1 minus Q hat 1, that's what we have. So we have then divided by the square root, divided by the square root of P bar Q bar. Yeah, so P bar is 0.132, 0.132450, yeah, times 1 minus that, times, it's always going to be the 1 divided by n1 plus 1 divided by n2. What is that? 291, 1 divided by 313. Yep. Okay, so I got 7.08. Good. So this is all literally just how well we plug in is all this is going to be. So I get 1.645, 1.645 times the square root of P1 Q1. Yeah, so we cannot factor anything out. What is that? P1 Q1. Okay. 0.0129. 0.9871 divided by n1, 2785. Okay, so P2, Q2, 0.0018 times 0.9982 divided by n2, 7821. Good. Did I do it right? It's hard to do that. 0.0036. Okay, so degrees of freedom. Yeah, the smaller of n minus 1 or n minus 2, I get 140. X1 minus X2, what is all that going to be? Oh, that's SP. Okay, so they give us the SP right there. Okay, so I get 277912 minus 26.1993 divided by the square root of SP squared. That's 47.8 squared. Yeah, 47.8 squared, 1 over n1 plus 1 over n2. So pretty easy stuff here. Yeah. Okay, so we plug that in right there, yes. I get the t star is negative 1.17 times the square root of s1 squared 0.61 squared divided by 31 plus s2 squared. E, the square root of that negative. T star is negative. It is fine. Let's see what happens. The margin of error, the T star is never supposed to be negative, and the margin of error is never supposed to be negative. I don't know if I've ever seen that. Round to 2 decimal places. Possibly something I'm not seeing. Let's just make it positive, see what happens there. They say that it's negative, so I guess so. Okay. So these are margin of error formulas. We're not really supposed to understand them. We literally just plug into this stuff, so it's not very hard. Okay, so E, and that's going to be T. .375. Good.